Get ready to supercharge your sales game with the Odoo CRM Community mobile app. This powerful tool puts your entire sales pipeline at your fingertips, making it perfect for Odoo Community users. Let's jump in and explore how to use this app to manage your CRM like a pro. Get the app from the Google Play Store or App Store. Open it up, punch in your Odoo server URL, pick your database from the drop-down and enter your username and password. Just like that, you're plugged into your CRM data, ready to hustle. If you're connecting to a local server, say one running on your office computer, make sure your mobile and that server are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Use your server's local IP address to log in. For live or cloud-hosted servers, you're good to go from any network. This app supports only Odoo Community version 17 and 18. Time to dive into the pipeline view of your command center for sales opportunities. Check out all your opportunities at a glance and switch between Kanban, list, calendar, graph, or activity views using the drop-down. Need to zero in on something? Use the search bar or filters to find exactly what you need. To create a new opportunity, hit the plus button, fill in the details, and tap Add. Want to tweak an opportunity? Click on the opportunity from the list, hit Edit, Update it, and Save. Click the message icon to see activity, history, add notes, or schedule tasks. With the three-dot menu, you can mark it as won, lost, or whip up a quotation in seconds. Got leads? The Leads view has you covered. Add a new lead by tapping the plus button, entering details, and hitting Save. Tap any lead to edit its info. With the three-dot menu, convert it to an opportunity, mark it as lost, or bring back a lost lead all in a snap. Creating and managing quotes in the quotations view is a total game changer. Hit the plus button to start a new quote, then scroll down to fill in the details. Add order lines to specify products, include optional products for upselling. Use the quote builder to customize your offer. Add other info for extra details and upload a signature right there. When you're ready, tap Save. Need to take action? Use the three-dot menu to email the quote, confirm it, or cancel it. All done in a few taps. Plus, tap the invoice icon to jump to the invoice screen, where you can view and manage all invoice details with ease. Our customers are at the heart of your CRM, and this app makes managing them effortlessly. Browse the customer list, tap a profile to view or update contact info, company details, or interaction history. Hit the edit button to keep everything fresh and up to date. It's customer management made simple. Take control with the settings section. Update your profile by tapping Edit Profile. Want to switch accounts? Tap your profile picture, then the book icon to open the drawer and pick another account or add a new one. Check your company info with Company Profile. Ready to log out? Hit Log Out, confirm in the pop-up, and you're out quick and easy. Stay connected with the icons at the top of every screen. Tap the chat icon to jump into real-time conversations with users or channels in your Odoo system. Perfect for staying in the loop. Hit the clock icon to see your scheduled activities, grouped by modules like leads or contacts. Tap a group to view tasks and keep your day on track. Why choose the Odoo CRM Community mobile app? It's all about keeping you in the driver's seat. Manage your sales pipeline anywhere with real-time data and a slick interface. To get started, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store.